Okay. So our boat is literally moored in front of us, the other side of that building. That lovely building there, look. That building there, wonderful, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to go over there, yeah, I think. Let's have a look. Beach is just out. This is Alicante. The other side of these buildings is the marina. We've just been in there. Unfortunately, we couldn't get a berth for the next 2 days, so that means I'll have to take the tender off, go round and pick up our next 2 guests that are coming in tomorrow, and then the following day go back round and say goodbye to Tony, who will be leaving us. There's the old fort wall at the top. It's 11 o'clock in the morning and there's music blaring. We're right up against the safety buoy markers, which means we can't go any further on that, but we can take the tender if we want to go towards the beach through the green and red lateral markers. Benidorm, it's just up further around there, Calpe. I think about 8 hours sail to get to Benidorm from here. Another couple of hours on top for Calpe. Beach is already full of tourists. Over there, that thing looks like an aqua zoom slide, but it's not. It's a way to get up via the lift to get up to the top. So last night we had thunder and lightning, lots of rain, and it washed all the dirt off onto this boat. This boat is absolutely filthy. We're low on fresh water. We can't make water in here because the bay's too dirty. We've only got 35% fresh water on board, so we're going to do a salt water wash to get all this dirt off, and then we'll connect the hose up to this point and then just give her a quick fresh rinse. So we've got to wash the roof, this roof, the weather decks all round. All the hatches have got to be lifted and cleaned out of all this dirt and dust that gets in between them, all the way around here. You can see the dirt is absolutely filthy. So she's going to get a good salt bath with just a little bit of washing up liquid. We're not supposed to use washing up liquid, but we do. And then once we've done that, we go around and give her a rinse off to get the salt off. But she's absolutely filthy. And the problem is, once you get this on your feet, you can see it all through the fly bridge. You start walking it inside the boat, so you've got to, you know, get this dirt off. Can't leave it on here, it's absolutely filthy. I think the other boat's still there though, look. She's bouncing. So there's reality, anchored in the bay, and then there's this monohull which has got two guys trying to attend to it, because I think the owners have left it and they haven't realised that the anchor is dragged, and it's dragged right onto this little breakwater. And as we was walking down the beach we saw it dragging. Nothing we can do. Reality is in front of it. That's the dangers of anchoring and not knowing what you're doing. So 6 hours later, we're still playing around. We're trying to get this yacht off these rocks. So that was the boat that tied up next to us, or moored up, anchored up next to us this morning. And me and Tony were walking down the beach and we looked at that and said, that's dragging its anchor. And 10 minutes later it was on the rocks. It's on a breakwater just across there. It's on its side and it looks completely flooded. There it is. It's on the rocks. And these two boats have been here for some time. That's been here for a couple of hours. That one's been here for about 6 hours. And I think they're giving up till tomorrow. It's getting dark now. Yep, that one's leaving as well. They've realised there's absolutely nothing they can do for that boat. But that is gone. It's 50 foot. I don't know the name of it. But that was the boat that was trying to pull it off earlier with no joy. It couldn't do it. Shame.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Tabaka. Got ferries coming in and out virtually all day long. This is the ferry queue for people to get back over to the mainland. All these people standing here waiting to get on the ferry. And there you can see the ferries just literally coming in and out. These are some of the boats that are moored around the island. Our boat Reality is just out there. This is more the safer side because of the wind that's coming from the south, so we're on the north side of the island, slightly more protected. However, there's equally as many boats around on the south side, because the south wind isn't that great, so, and it dies off tonight, so you can virtually anchor up anywhere around this island. Our tender boat is just here, down the bottom there. And there's 2 or 3 of these little bays. There's another one just over the back there, and we brought our tender over and just stuck it on the beach, climbed ashore, walked around a really nice village over there with lots of shops, bars and restaurants. There's a few more restaurants here, and then it finishes and it just becomes a kind of like a little nature trail really, which we're going to walk after we've had a glass of sangria. So we're in a little bar here, and we just ordered a big pot of sangria which we're waiting to come, and then we're off. But there's lots of bays on both sides. There's another little bay here where you can see some boats are now moored on the other side of the island. So this is the south side, and that is the north side, and this is the skinny bit in between, and it's much bigger and wider over there where the town is, little village, and a nature reserve behind the back of these restaurants. Wonderful place.
Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.